Just a few years ago, the idea of AI replacing certain types of jobs seemed unimaginable. But with the rapid advancement of chatgpt, a groundbreaking AI technology, many are now pondering the same question that has haunted workers in manufacturing for years. Could AI take over my job? The growing popularity of chatgpt and its various applications in businesses has sparked concern among workers from all walks of life. As AI tools become integrated into daily work routines, offering solutions to a wide array of problems, it's no wonder that more than 2/3 of employees are secretly using them without informing their bosses. In this eye-opening journey, we've reached out to AI experts, visionary entrepreneurs crafting AI tools, and astute business people who are already harnessing AI's power. Together, we'll explore which jobs are at the highest risk of automation, how AI can streamline tasks, and most importantly, how you can safeguard your career against the AI revolution. Get ready to unlock the secrets of staying ahead in an AI-driven job market. While it's highly unlikely that AI will suddenly replace a significant portion of the human workforce by the end of this week, the prospect of such a transformation in the near future is now more realistic than ever. In 2020, the World Economic Forum released a report predicting that 85 million jobs would be taken over by AI by 2025. A more conservative estimate from McKinsey in 2021 projected 45 million job replacements by 2030. Surprisingly, our own research at tech.co has revealed that 47% of business leaders would consider using AI instead of hiring for certain roles within their companies. However, these predictions may now seem too conservative. In the wake of ChatGPT's explosive popularity, Goldman Sachs has come forward with an even bolder forecast, suggesting that approximately 300 million jobs could soon be at risk of being replaced or automated by artificial intelligence in some way or another. Instead of entire job roles vanishing and being replaced by chatbots like ChatGPT, the more likely scenario in the next year or so is that AI will be utilized as a tool to assist with certain tasks performed by a growing number of workers. In a recent paper, OpenAI predicted that AI will soon be capable of aiding around 10% of tasks for 8 out of 10 workers. Furthermore, 19% of workers will be able to rely on AI to complete 50% of their tasks. This indicates that the process of AI replacing jobs will be gradual and incremental, rather than an abrupt and dramatic shift. Among various job roles, administrative positions are particularly vulnerable to being replaced by AI tools like ChatGPT. These roles involve tasks such as note-taking, proofreading, summarizing information, and managing spreadsheets, tasks that ChatGPT is already proficient in handling. According to the research note that disclosed Goldman Sachs's prediction of 300 million AI replaceable jobs, office and administrative support is identified as the occupation with the highest percentage, 46% of tasks, that could potentially be automated and performed by AI. An excellent example of AI-driven automation is Microsoft Teams Premium's Copilot feature. It can transform your video conference meetings into concise note form and generate a list of action points by analyzing the meeting transcript's content. Not long ago, taking meeting notes was a central responsibility for many administrative and secretarial roles. However, today, this task can be completely automated thanks to AI-powered tools like Copilot. Data entry roles primarily involve tasks that revolve around following predefined rules and performing repetitive actions. This makes them relatively easy to automate, given the nature of their repetitive and rule-based nature. According to Angelo Sorbello, CEO of AI writing and SEO tool Link Delta, jobs that require decision-making based on data analysis, such as financial analysis and medical diagnosis, are particularly susceptible to automation. He explains that any job involving a set of predefined steps or strict rule following is at risk of being automated. Ryan Faber, the founder of the AI content writing platform Copymatic, echoes this sentiment, emphasizing that manual data entry into computer systems is a time-consuming task. While it plays a crucial role in many businesses, it is also an area that is ripe for automation. Thanks to advancements in AI-powered tools like optical character recognition, OCR, and natural language processing, NLP, various aspects of data entry can now be automated efficiently. The recent news of OpenAI's efforts to render basic coding obsolete through chatgpt has undoubtedly unsettled professionals in the software industry. AI has the potential to automate a significant portion of the repetitive testing typically conducted by software engineers during the development process. Additionally, it can assist with tasks traditionally assigned to junior software engineers. Moreover, AI can be valuable in identifying bugs and patching vulnerabilities. While it may not possess the complete skill set to replace engineers working on complex software that demands human creativity, this level of expertise isn't always essential for every code-related task. OpenAI is actively developing a program called Codex, designed to handle a wide range of coding tasks. Additionally, reports have surfaced indicating that employees at companies like Amazon and Samsung have already utilized ChatGPT for coding purposes, further demonstrating its potential in the field. AI is increasingly being adopted by companies to handle customer service requests, especially among small businesses that may struggle to afford human employees for such roles. This trend has become quite common, with even major platforms like Amazon relying on AI to address customer inquiries, a practice they have been implementing for nearly 3 years. Jonathan Tian, the CEO of Credit Yelp, acknowledges the significant role of AI in his company's customer support operations. He mentions that AI has taken over the task of providing responses to commonly asked queries, enabling their online clients to receive immediate assistance through algorithm-generated replies. This highlights how AI is revolutionizing the way businesses handle customer interactions, making support more efficient and accessible. According to a recent inquiry by LegalCheek, when ChatGPT was asked about the potential job replacements that technology powered by GPT-4 could bring, the paralegal profession ranked third on the list. ChatGPT identifies the human trait replaced in this context as research and organization. AI-powered legal assistants are already available commercially, with some even offering free trial periods. For example, programs like Case Texts can review legal documents and research memos, assisting lawyers in preparing depositions. They can also analyze contracts and make revisions to ensure compliance with relevant laws, while identifying potential risks that a business may face. As you can imagine, these capabilities encompass a significant portion of the tasks currently carried out by human paralegals. The rise of AI technology in the legal field has the potential to streamline processes and reduce the need for manual research and organization, impacting the role of paralegals. Those who have experienced ChatGPT firsthand are aware of its ability to generate paragraphs of useful and relevant content within seconds, rivaling the speed of a human writer or editor. Alternatives to ChatGPT, such as Jasper and WriteSonic, have also established themselves in this domain and offer premium services at substantial subscription fees. While some major websites have ventured into using artificial intelligence to create content and articles, the process of generating large quantities of AI-generated content hasn't been entirely smooth for these pioneering companies. For example, tech website CNET employed AI to write 77 articles, but they had to issue corrections for 41 of them due to inaccuracies. Additionally, other news outlets flagged instances of extensive plagiarism in AI-generated content. BuzzFeed has also recently begun publishing AI-generated content, although it has faced criticism for being repetitive. While we are still far from fully replacing writers, the exploration of AI-generated content is an area of close consideration for many publications. So it's an evolving space worth keeping an eye on in the future. AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney have already demonstrated their ability to generate images quickly and rival the work of experienced graphic designers. Furthermore, with the introduction of image inputs in GPT-4, which is currently available to ChatGPT Plus customers, and the impressive image content generated by other AI chatbots like Character.ai, the capabilities continue to expand. However, it's important to note that these tools are not poised to eliminate the graphic design industry in their current form. Instead, some artists are already leveraging these tools to their advantage. Yet the real potential lies in envisioning what tools like DALL-E and similar technologies could evolve into within a short span of time. If we already have easy access to technology that can produce unique, original, and high-quality images, the question arises, what will these tools be capable of in the near future? The AI revolution is already here, and it's crucial for companies to prioritize upskilling their staff to adapt to the significant changes in their work environment. Failure to do so could result in businesses falling behind. So, what can individuals do to prepare themselves? According to Uyala, co-founder of Gradient Insight, an AI-focused consultancy firm, prospective employees should focus on developing skills that complement AI technology. This includes skills such as critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, emotional intelligence, and communication. In a world where AI is prevalent, these skills are likely to become increasingly valuable. It's important to remember that major changes won't occur overnight. If you have concerns about your role being replaced by AI in the coming years, there are steps you can take to adapt. Expanding your soft skills and becoming comfortable using the latest AI chatbots and tools is a great starting point. By embracing these technologies and honing your abilities, you can position yourself for success in an AI-driven world.